Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Apps. Then go into Permission Manager and select one of your phone's features, like Location. Then pick one of your apps, for example Browser, tap on it and select one of those options. Allow only while in use or Deny. I will go with Allow, so when I go back, I can see that Browser gained access to this device location while I'm using it. But you can also tap on one of your apps, select See All Browser Permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!